it's gonna get knock.
What's good soap life? When check out the vlog. Yes, and it's for super content and another video. Let me say that the another dollar. So we think out here. Yeah, I think know that by now.
Dark out?
Yeah.
You know, yes, my first record long time. You cut me out of that video.
The be of them let loose out there. Fire!
Here, come baby's on the loose. Baby's on the loose.
Baby on the loose. Twins on the loose. Goodbye. And about the cookbook, the essential baking cookbook.
Intro video.
Yeah.
What's good, so fly fam? My face not sure too good, but what's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy. Back with a what?
Another video.
As would I say, another day, another dollar. Oh, you don't care what me pick them, come on, what do you care them in for?
I'm gonna want blue.
Alright, first we start off with half cup of orange juice. We have vanilla. Alright, basically 2 egg to 12 cupcake. And we have the 24. So the recipe where we are working, we are working with a recipe. Orange cupcake, I will love work with the recipe. So we are going to double this. So it's a 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. So we are double that. 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. So we are do 3 cup of flour. 3 cup of flour. So it's a 1 cup measurement. 3 cup of flour. Alright, broke 1 egg first. Can't do that anytime. 2 tablespoons of rose water for the flavor. We just add our own little flavor to the cupcake. This almond extract. So, well, just I'm gonna use 1/4 teaspoon. Vanilla. We're gonna mix to incorporate the salt, baking powder, and the flour. Oh God. You stop it? Yeah, start, alright. This is the moment of truth, as we Jamaican would say. We never say so. Let me just say something like that. Alright. We have a cut and fold. Cut and fold. This is like the back in the day, Stone Age way. We can either use the spoon to cut and fold. Don't follow me about back in the day, Stone Age. I right way. The lazy way is that we just use this. But we are use that, but we just cut and fold first. At least half of it. Our oven is preheated, and now we're gonna put our desired color to our cupcake. We're gonna do some into chocolate. So all we're gonna do, why me ask you? We are do some in a chocolate. We're gonna do some in a chocolate. So we are gonna split this in two and do some in a chocolate. And the others we're gonna do in our colors. Now we're just mixing, people. The teacher normally tell me, say, spit is not a part of the ingredient. So when we're talking, we talk away from the food. Her name is Miss Cooper. Miss Cooper. Miss Cooper, big up herself. You like this too thick, you know? Block it off. What do you guys prefer? More vanilla or more chocolate?
More chocolate.
More vanilla.
More chocolate. More chocolate.
Yes.
More chocolate.
Yes.
More
More chocolate. Chocolate.
We're going to grease the tin with butter and flour. You can stop it. See my telling. Yeah, alright. We're gonna put the cupcake in the oven for 10 minutes. Bake until golden. What is?
Brown.
Brown.
Until dessert.